Okay, so today I'm going to be filming how to make scrunchies, and this is a no sew scrunchie, so it's really easy and really simple to make. So let's get started. So for my scrunchies, the three materials I will be using is this one, this vibrant blue material. It's like sweater. It's like a sweater material. Got something on it. I don't know what that is. And then the next material I will be using is this one. I really like this one. It's like tie-dye, but you can see through it. I don't know if you can see like my hand through it or whatever, but it's like, I don't know what it is, like rayon or something. I don't know. So that one's really nice. It's gonna look really cute. And then I think this one is my favorite though. This one is like a blush pink and it's so soft. It's like velvety feeling. It's like really soft and really feels really great. So I will be using this one and I'm really excited to see how this one turns out. So you're gonna need the materials, obviously, and you can choose anything, any material you want. You can get it from old clothes, or you can use you can buy the material like from like a fabric store or something, whatever you want to use to make them. And then you're going to need a hot glue gun, some glue sticks, and some scrunchies. I bought this 30-piece scrunchie set with black ones, the black scrunchies and stuff. Well, not scrunchies. Why am I saying scrunchies? The name of it is scrunchie. That's, I guess, why I'm saying it. But hair ties. You're gonna need, well, we don't need 3 hair ties. You just need as many as, however many like scrunchies you want to make. But you need hair ties. Oh, this is perfect. They give you 3 bonus hair ties. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off there. So I will be using these 3 bonus ones. Oh, and you're gonna need a jar. And I know this kind of don't make sense right now, like why would you need a jar, but it will make sense when we get to that point. So my hot glue gun is not completely ready, but it's good enough. So what you want to do is have the material, and it's to have it like cut out pretty good. It doesn't have to be perfect, because look, this is not perfect whatsoever, but just try to have it like close enough, because it matters. You want to have this is the good side, or the soft side. This is like, obviously this is the back. It's just like some clothy filling thing or whatever. You want to put the glue on this side. So you want to put it right at the edge, as close as you can get to the edge. Anyway, you just fold it like this on top of it and kind of line it up. And when you're using hot glue, like sometimes you can feel it, and it's not a pleasant feeling. It hurts. So try not to get it on your skin. But for the most part, you can't feel it. I can't feel it through the fabric. I can feel the warmth, but I can't feel like hotness or anything, because it's, like I said, it's like velvety. It's like, or something like that. So, see? And when you're done, it'll look like that. Yeah. But anyway, so what you want to do next, after you have it like glued, you want to have, so when you're done gluing it, you want to try to get as close as you can with the glue, like close as you can to the glue or whatever, to cut off the excess, because I'm telling you, it does matter. It'll stick out and look weird. It just looks weird. I've done one and it didn't look attractive. So next thing you want to do is grab your jar. Here's where the jar comes into play. You want to put this over the jar like this. Everything out the way you want to. You want to grab a hair tie. I'm going to grab this one. And you want to put it around here in the center like that. Okay, so this is where you want to put it in the center because now we're going to glue it down. So you want to fold a little piece right there, and then a little piece right here at the bottom as well. And then you want to get your glue and do that. And then you take the top part. I should have made it a little bit bigger, but that's okay. The struggle is real here. Do that. And then once again, you want to pull it down like this, and then you probably want to make it a little bigger. The reason I'm saying this because the jar is kind of snug on here because I didn't put it bigger, but it's okay. Like, I'm just gonna struggle my way through it, but it's okay. It's okay. So I don't even know if I have that in the camera. I hope I did. Okay, and then you just do that all around. You just keep going until like it's all done. I swear they have came out better than this. It's probably looking like, oh my god, that doesn't look right at all, but I swear it came out. I have used like too small. I should have made it a little bit longer, but that's okay, you know. It's still thriving, okay? It's still thriving. It's just a smaller one. It's just a little bit smaller. Okay. We're gonna just do this. Okay, so now that it's done, you take off your scrunchie like that. And then you just kind of check for like openings. If it's like a little bit of an opening like this one right here, it's just like a little bit open. You just put a little glue in there and then stick it together, and that is it. Very simple. And then that's it. Oh, well, let's just put a little here. Like I said, you can always go back and fix whatever. Okay, but as you can see, and then like there will be, you know, if you use hot glue guns before, you know there are strings. They are definitely strings, but you know, you just pull off any strings if there's any. Otherwise, here you go. You've got your nice scrunchie. Like I said, I kind of made it a little small, but it's okay. You know, it still looks good. So there's that one. So there's that one. So the next one I will be doing, which is bigger, thank goodness. This one was a little rough, man. This one was just a little bit rough because, you know, I should have made it a little bit bigger, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, like I said before, so this is the side you want to have showing, like you have the velvety side. So you want to start on that side. I have a cat, okay? So if you see like cat hairs I'm pulling off, it's because I have a cat. And I'm going to go ahead and just cut this corner off so it can be a little bit more straighter. There. So once again, you just want to put the glue straight across like this. And then you just fold it like this. And press down. So after you have, you know, put the glue on there, you want to cut close as you can to the glue, you know, so there's no bumpy edges or whatever. Alright, so then you grab your jar again and you leave it on the same side. You don't flip it inside out or anything. And see, this one's a lot better. So center it, make sure that it's in the center of the jar, and then once again you just kind of pull it out like that. And once again you want to fold the top down like this and the bottom. You can do longer sections. I just choose to do shorter sections because, you know, I don't want to miss a spot, or, you know, I'm not in a hurry, so we can take our time, you know what I mean? We can take our time. Right, so we'll pull it up like this, and then it's so funny, like I can make 1,000 of these and it'll go perfect, and then I try to film it and it's just like, it gives me trouble. It makes me look like I don't know what I'm doing, but I swear I do, and I swear this works. And it looks nice. I've made quite a few of these. So that is the reason of the jar. It just gives you something to put your scrunchie around, so, you know. But that's pretty much it. And then you just slide it off, and then there you go. Another scrunchie. Have another scrunchie, guys. And I really like this one because it's like vibrant blue. So, but yeah. And then I think I'm gonna like this one too, just because it's like this material. It's like, I don't know what you call it, rayon, chiffon, or something. But it's really cool material. So we're gonna go ahead and once again put the glue. Alright, and it's a little too short. You know what? We're gonna not use the jar and try to do it without the jar, because I kind of screwed up by making it a little. I mean, you can use the jar. It just kind of gives you a better, or not better, but it makes it a little bit easier for you to do this, but because it kind of guides you around and stuff, but you don't actually have to have it. But we're gonna, in this case, I'm getting rid of the jar just because I made this one a little too small, the material, but that's okay. I swear this is easier than I may be making this look, but it's really simple and it's really fun, and you can make lots of cool, and not even like lots of cool scrunchies and stuff. It's this one, it's like the tie-dye rayon chiffon like scrunchie, and it looks really cool. I made it a little small once again, but it's still really cool. So I think they came out really nicely. They go in here, just like, don't make the mistake I made. Try to make them a little bit bigger, the material, I made this one. Oops, there goes my camera. Stop moving. I made this one, it's a little bit bigger. Like, it's a little bit bigger. And then I made actually a little small one. So, yeah. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!